Hey guys, today we are going to be creating summaries of informational text. I don't think we'll get to the literary, but we will at least start with informational. Here's just a quick video. I have to step out today, so I thought it would be great for you to be able to learn this through video. So let's give it a shot. First off, if you read the bell ringer off the board, it asked you to get onto the Padlet website off of Canvas. So if you haven't done so, I need you to go click on Padlet.com. It's on the Canvas page, and I need you to write a response to what is a summary to you and your definition, okay? You can put it up anonymous. Your name doesn't need to be on it. I don't need to know your name. However, it does need to be school appropriate. So make sure everything you're putting up there is only pertaining to summaries because I can see it all. All right. And then while you're waiting, I want you just to be reading other people's responses and see what's different, what's the same. So first thing, why is it important to learn to write a summary? Go ahead and talk with your neighbor here for just a quick second. Okay, so it's super important to learn how to write summaries because that's what you will do pretty much all your life. You need to be summarizing things and making sure that you are putting things into your own words and only pulling the key ideas. Especially we're going to be doing that when we're researching and we're doing all sorts of online websites and books and things like that. You're not going to be able to read every single thing and put every single word into your paper, so you're going to have to be summarizing it. So that's the big reason why we're practicing this skill. Next thing, so the actual definition of a summary, let me know how close you are to your Padlet. It says, a summary is a short restatement of the central idea and important information in the text. So again, you just need to take the topic sentence, what the whole thing is about, put it into one sentence, and then talk about just the important information. So all the little characteristics about a summary are you need to make sure you begin with a clear topic sentence that identifies the text's central idea. So that whole main idea. So in one sentence at the very beginning of your summary, just state what is it about. Then you need to pull just the key facts. And the important part is this part right here where it says support. You don't want random facts. You want facts that actually support your central idea. Next, it needs to be short, well organized, and only important information again. So by short, you're only talking 5, 6, 7 sentences. We're not restating the entire story. Also, we talked a lot about standard English last week. Now, this is also important, and you need to tie that into your summaries. You have to use a formal tone. So be thinking about who your audience is and what is the purpose. Last and most important, when you're writing a summary, it is only facts. There are no opinions because that's not what you're doing when you're writing a summary. In a summary, you are just summarizing the important information. All right. So what you're going to do next is you are going to read this article, and I want you to be looking at what does this summary do to support the characteristics of a good summary. And we talked about a good summary having these characteristics. So I want you to read this article, and it is found on Canvas again. Read this article and then talk with a partner about what are the characteristics that support this good summary. And again, here are the characteristics, and you have to be specific.